Genome annotations, transcription factors. Other than protein coding genes, structural sequences can also be used for genome annotations, as well as regulatory sequences. They are also used for genome annotations. Annotate regulatory sequences such as transcription factor binding sites are identified. Transcription factors are the proteins that bind to DNA sequence and help to control the gene expression. Sequences to which transcription factor bind are called as transcription factor binding sites. In other words, they are also called as cis-acting elements. Transcription factors bind to specific DNA sequences which are usually present with the genes. Mostly transcription factors can bind to a range of similar DNA sequences. Once we know the binding site, we can search the genome to find all the predicted binding sites. These are some of the characterized binding sites for certain transcription factors. Here we can see that there are 7 characterized binding sites for a specific transcription factor. And the consensus sequence has been shown as CC, CT, G, AA, and GC. Frequency matrix and its graphical depiction are sequence logo as CC, GG, AT, and GC. So with the help of these sequences, we can perform the genome annotations. So if we conclude that what are the genome annotations by transcription factors, genome annotations can also be performed by searching transcription factor binding sites. These are actually the specific sequence where transcription factors bind. So if we identify these sequences with the help of computer software, we can identify the genes.